Today, we discuss the pendulum from Reality Transurfing. Pendulums are simply thought structures that everyone thinks, and they only want your energy. Some examples of pendulums are sports teams, political parties, the news, occupations, illnesses, weather conditions, and even traffic. Knowing that a pendulum is prodding you for your energy is one of the best ways to begin dealing with a pendulum. Pendulums can sense your energy and people will behave in ways that actually get to you. Learn how to stop getting entangled with reactivity in today's episode. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kathie Owen. I have been a certified fitness trainer and certified life coach since 2002, teaching the Stop the Mind Screw process. On this channel, we talk about fitness, having a growth mindset, habits, and even some reality transurfing. It's Tuesday, so we are talking transurfing on Tuesday. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so you never miss content from me. Let's get into the episode. The quote from the book today is this: "The people that get in your way are not pendulums so much as they are puppets." Pendulums sense the energy of your potential and make other people behave in such a way that will get to you. As a result, you get irritated and the harlequin jumps even higher. The pendulum makes its swing and receives the energy of your irritation. The New Zealand Reality Transurfing. When it comes to traffic, it doesn't take long for us to discover how pendulums work. I was in the gym a few months ago when I overheard two guys that I regularly see in the gym discussing traffic in the area, most notably the freeway that I drive daily to get to my office. It has been under construction for 8 years now. In fact, the bridge that connected our office to the freeway was torn down in 2016, and they tore it down and they told us that it would only take a year to be complete. I've actually seen bridges transformed in just 3 months. But it was now 2022 and still there was no access to this freeway. This seriously caused at least 10 minutes extra time on the road. And it took me 15 minutes basically just to get to the office. So my ears perked up when I heard these two discussing the progress of the freeway. One of the guys, let's just call him Josh, told the other guy he was a traffic engineer, and they were basically discussing the very intersection I'm talking about at my office. I asked Josh when it would be complete. I mean, it had been 6 years now. He told me soon. And eventually, he was very right. It was complete within the next couple of weeks. But I asked Josh if he was a traffic engineer, and he said, "Why, yes, I am." I then took what I thought was a fair shot and asked him if he knew my brother Mark. I was pleasantly surprised when he said, "Yes, I do. He was one of the best teachers I ever had." My brother Mark is a certified teacher of traffic engineering. And I'm super proud of my brother, both of them, in fact. But my younger brother, Mark, is a very good traffic engineer. And he taught me so many cool things about traffic that the most common person simply doesn't know. The funny thing about Mark is he absolutely hates traffic. He has since he was a kid, and let's just say the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. My dad hates traffic too. I remember riding in the car with either one of them and praying that no one pissed them off because they go on a rampage about what a jerk that person was for pulling out in front of them. So, did you catch all the pendulums in that story? If not, let me recap. There was the pendulum of the road construction that caused irritation over the time frame of 6 years. The pendulum of my brother who hates traffic, and the pendulum of my dad who also hates traffic. The pendulum of me, who hates riding with my brother, and my dad, who hate traffic. Oh, and I'm quite sure there are several more pendulums involved, but today we are talking about the puppets of the pendulums. Pendulums sense the energy of your potential and make other people behave in such a way that will get to you. See how much energy was lost there? Now, imagine, if you will, what would happen if you just simply observed what is going on? What happens now? As Vadim states in Reality Transurfing, the best way to handle a pendulum is to come down into the auditorium, grab your popcorn, my words, not Vadim's, and watch the drama unfold. Do not react, just observe. I was listening to Joseph Rodrigues the other day, and he was saying how traffic used to really bother him, specifically traffic in Los Angeles. He was talking about intuition and how he would let go of reactivity, i.e., a way to observe the pendulum. When he did this, traffic was gone. He simply let go of how he reacted to traffic. At first, he enjoyed listening to Brian Tracy while in traffic. Slowly, as he let go of reactivity, he noticed how his meetings all involved times where traffic was not so bad. And we're talking Los Angeles. He just let it go. How will you let go of reactivity to pendulums so they don't drain your energy? Do you need help with this? I created a download to help you understand the pendulums in your life. Not all pendulums are destructive, and it's great to identify where you spend your energy so you can be released of the pendulum's prod. For example, quit giving the pendulum the energy of your irritation. You can download your free pendulum guide at www.kathieowen.com/reality-transurfing. And that's Kathie with KATHIEOWEN.com. I hope to see you there. All right, that's my episode for today. If you know someone who can benefit from this, please share it with them. And until next time, I'll see you next time. Peace out and namaste.